We're in Carnegie, Oklahoma, a normal limestone operation. We produce a 1.5-inch crusher run and a 3/4-inch crusher run for county roads, oil field pad sites, especially rock for concrete and asphalt. We produce about 500,000 tons a year.
Does it get dusty out here?
Every day. Our rock here is some of the hardest in this part of the western Oklahoma. It creates a lot of dust, so we have to keep moisture on it to keep the rock from dusting out the countryside. When we do add the water to it to keep the dust down, it causes problems on our belt.
When a conveyor belt breaks, it's a challenge getting it back together. Our thing is not to stay broke down.
The most critical aspect is going to be getting the material where it needs to go to put it out the road. In a facility like this, that entails making sure your fines, your chips stay on the belt and moving down the process to the stockpile. Some of the biggest shortcomings for not using a cleaning product: your rollers get packed in, your mainframe starts to rot, you have buildup, carryback, man hours spent doing clean out, fuel maintenance doing clean out, replacing components. There are major shortcomings to not having a cleaning system in place. That's where Martin comes in to take care of the problem.
David, he comes up here with a smile on his face, and he comes straight for me. He asks me what he needs to do, what do I need for him to do. And I love David. David is a good guy.
We come out once a month, we do routine service and tensioning inspections, produce a report, let him know how his product is doing that we've installed. We go through and we service every cleaner every month.
Our technician comes in and they look at him, and they can tell us whether they need a new blade or not. They put a new blade and we go on about our happy business.
Our operation is more profitable. Not having to call somebody and say, hey, can you come out and take care of this is a big benefit.
When we go in, we're maintaining their cleaners so that way their maintenance guys can focus on something else.
They're taking care of the belts, they're taking care of the tension. I don't have to mess with it. I'm able to focus on other aspects of my job.
If a belt conveyor is not fitted with a belt cleaner, then you're going to have that continued carryback spillage. You then have to have your employees go out and do cleanup.
You don't have to worry about the guy that is down there with a shovel. We're all human. Anybody can make a mistake, but it only takes that one mistake that somebody couldn't go home to their family.
With the belt cleaners, we save hours not having to shovel.
Having the belt cleaners makes everybody's job easier. If you're running wet materials, you got to have those legs.
Without having belt cleaners, an operation like this is going to spend on average 60 to 70 hours a week of man hours to do cleanup.
My employees are definitely more valuable when they're actually doing their job and not having to clean up. As far as my employees, they love them. It's easier to work for them.
A properly installed cleaner and a properly maintained cleaner will cut your cost on your ROI down dramatically.
It's a benefit that don't ever stop. That blade is just a good thing to have. Seeing all the production coming off them belts, that's my thing. I love to see production coming off them belts. Martin blades are here to stay.